Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy Air Canada plane tickets online in 2023. So Air Canada is one of the Canada's leading airlines, offering a vast network of domestic and international flights. Whether you're planning a business trip or a leisurely vacation, booking your Air Canada ticket online is a convenient and straightforward process. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the steps to secure your Air Canada flights hassle-free. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, we'll have to go and visit the Air Canada website. To do so, we'll have to go and open whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using the Brave browser, and of course, in your case, you can use any other browser this could possibly have. If you have many, you can go and open whatever you prefer. Once you do so, go to the URL section, simply type aircanada.com and hit the enter button. That should take you right away to the home screen or main screen of the Air Canada website. From here, of course, you can even go and change the language at the top right corner or even the currency. So as you can see, we have here Canadian dollars. You can change it to whatever you want, to whatever currency you're good with or you're comfortable with. So I'm just going to type here like you. So United States US dollars, which is what everyone knows. And you can even change the language from here. So from English to French to Spanish to Chinese. So I'm just going to list it as English and click on confirm. And this will apply some changes so the website will refresh. Now, if you have an account, of course, make sure to go and log in into your account. And if you don't, make sure to go and join to create an account for yourself. Why? This because will give you some points while you are traveling and can give you some gift cards, which can reduce the plane ticket's price. And also, this will prevent you from filling always your personal information while you're trying to buy your credit card. Not credit card, your plane tickets. Especially if you're traveling a lot, logging in into an account or create an account will be very helpful. And of course, if you don't know much about this website, you can always scroll down, read more information about it, see the reviews of other people on this airlines to be secured or to be familiarized even more to be sure about getting tickets on this airlines. Now, as you can see, we have many options. We have flights, flight passes, hotels, cars, my booking, check-in, and flight status. So let's open. Sorry, shouldn't have done this. You will need to change again to US here or United States, US and English and confirm. And of course, I'll have to simply after that to choose who I want to have round trip, one way or multi-city spot over. So round trip, that means I'm coming and I'm coming back, or I'm going to into a trip and coming back. One way, just that means I'm just going, no coming back. And multi-cities, so this is going to be like we're going from city A to city B to city C to city D and etc. So for me, I'll just choose round trip here. And from, as an example, I'm choosing like, I don't know, Vancouver. Why not? To California. Why not? Let's see. Yeah, California here. And of course, here we'll have to choose the departure time. So the last day of this month. And the return is just going to be the last day of next month. Why not? So then click on select. Here you'll have to select the passengers. So how many adults, how many youth, how many childs, how many infants on lap and even on seats. So choose all the passengers that you have here. And if you have any promotion code, you can always add it here to get a better price on a flight. Then click on search flights. As simple as that. So now we'll have to wait a bit until they search for the flights from Vancouver, of course, to Burbank. And as you can see, those are the flights that they found. You can, as an example, change the dates. As you can see, if you found a better price here. So as an example, there is a better price yesterday or even 2 days before or after. So let's just choose that as an example to get a better price. So here we are. We have like the better price on the plane right here. So there is like the economy seats from this, and there is the business class seats from. So choose whatever suits you. I'm just going to choose this example. And this will have a lot of plans. So we have basic, standard, flex, and latitude. For refundability, it's not going to be no refund, no credits, and no refund for flex and standards, no refund, no credits for basics. But for latitude, yes. Seat selection with money on basic and standard, and with no money on flex and latitude. This is just standard seat, but this is preferred seats. Checked bag for fee. This is first free, and this is two free. Change is no change. This is for fee. This is fare difference only, and this is fare difference only. Aeroplan points and SQM. 25 aeroplanes points, no SQM. Up to 20%, 100%, 125. Meals and beverage, nothing. Same day standby, nothing. This is for fee on meals included on latitude, and free same day standby on versus on select route. Of course, if you get a better plan, you'll have to pay more. So I'm just going to get a basic here and keep the basic. So I'll have to wait a bit here. Of course, you can go and get like get started with Chase if you want to pay, because you will get like a statement credit. So the return, of course, you can choose like a better day with a better price. But if it's on green, that means you are already on a better day. So yeah, it's the same price here. So let's just choose this. Choose basic again. And as you can see, achieve your goals. So here, as you can see, you'll simply be able to upgrade to business class if you want to. But if you don't, you can scroll down here and continue as a guest if you don't have an account, or you don't want to even create an account. So from here, you'll have to finish or enter your passenger information. After fill in your passenger information, all of that's here. You can even enter, or you'll have to even enter your contact information. After that, click on continue. Then you'll have to choose a seat. Basically, because you choose the basic, you will not choose a seat. You'll simply have to click on continue. If you want to choose a seat, you'll have to pay for that. After choosing your seat, you'll be able to get some add-ons if you want to, like meal or anything that you saw before, as I showed you on the plans before. Basic doesn't have a meal, so if there's any add-ons, they will be provided for you. If you want to add it, of course, you will have to pay more. After that, you will be get into the payments. Review your payments, or sorry, review your plane tickets before even pay anything. After you're sure about everything, make sure to make your payment. Then you will receive a confirmation, and you'll be able even to make a check-in on their website if you want to, as we saw before in the home screen, as you can see. So there's the check-in option here, instead of doing it on the airports, which will take a lot of time from you because a lot of people just doing it there. So you can do it online, and you can simply go to the airport to get into your plane. So that's going to be it. If you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you've get your ticket on the Air Canada Airlines. So thanks for watching. And if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorial like this one. And I will see you in the next video.